here because we're showing you about games that should you never download because it has bad reviews and it has bad things to a children that you never be shown. And that's not all. There's even more. So you should never play this game. Even watch it. But if you wonder if you really bought it, that's your fault. That's your fault, or you down install it. It's just a waste of MB and also a waste of money. You should never download this to your life. The first game we're going to is this. Wait, I really don't remember what is it called, but we're just going to just download it. Let's just go see. Wait, hold on. What is this game again? Let's just go to like I think maybe I'll just like chill yeah, go find it. This is the age time code. So yep, it like if you like move it, it just like make yourself older. So I see a baby picture of me and I put it there and see if I look like on there in that picture, but not. It just scam you. It's a waste of money. It's you need to pay it. So never go download it. But you get shocked. You really get shocked. So let's see. Let's go to the bad review. 2.0 and 2.8. Oh my gosh, what a bad review. Let's go here. This. What the? I love it. What? Let's go to critical reviews. There's more critical than what the? Let's go. Let's go to critical reviews. This game is terrible. It almost puts like a filter. It doesn't change your video at all. This game is a waste of time. It's terrible. Don't download it. It makes you spend money, actually do stuff, and it doesn't even do anything. Dumbest app ever. OMG, I hate so much. I'm 10 right now. It says when I'm 30, I'll have like 27 wrinkles, and all it does is just put wrinkles on your face. It doesn't even change your hair color, and there is nothing else to do but put wrinkles on your face. The complaints are endless if it comes to this app. And why is this an app if there was an option to rate 0 stars? I would do just that. Do not download. Wow. Okay. Absolutely terrible. If you want to see your age as your progress, do not look on this app because you won't even find out. There are too many ads which are the same, and every time I press a button, pop another ad. Need a lot of improvement, and also it doesn't look realistic. I could see faint lines on my hair which should have been on my face. Note for reader: look somewhere else. It gives you nightmares because of how you look. Oh my goodness. I got so annoyed and I had just installed the app. Okay, I think she says on the installed is uninstalled. So this is a bad game. So I don't think I want to download this. Okay, let's just go to future time. So it has more. Yes, plenty of critical. It's good at. Oh no. We're going to the critical review. Doesn't work with my phone. Takes pic, the network error, and is all it says when scanning. I says yes. Okay, let's go to this one. It says here. When I was a kid, I would go be like this looking, and then when I grew up, what the? So we're making sure. So do we pay this game? So that is kind of looking bad. So this is also the first game that is having bad reviews. This is the future time that they call. And if you just like push it like this on the picture, you will push yourself into the picture. You have a picture of yourself when you're a kid, and then when you grow up, and then you grow up, you like this. So make sure you know yourself. So we're going to, let's see if it is gonna pay us, make us pay, or it's gonna really look like me. So let's go open this game and let's see. So I can really see these games everywhere. And yeah, let's open it. Oh my gosh. Prepare to meet your future. 1 month USB 28.99/month. 3-day free trial, then extends to an annual subscription for USB 95, blah blah blah. Cancel anything. Continue to blah 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 blah. Okay, it doesn't make us pay. That's nice. Oh no, I need to. What? I'm going to free. Fuel it has free. That's nice. Continue. What the? So you really think that this game gives you free trial, but then you see the free trial is not the one you must do. So you see, this is also a scam game. You say if you continue, your free trial was not real free. It is that. So I don't know how much on the dollars, but I'm in the Philippines, so yeah. So this is on the Philippines how much, but I am so sorry. This is not really free. It's not really free, but it's a free trial. But they said free trial, right? But they want us to pay this money. Do you think that would be like so? So it's kind of fair that you will have free trial, and then you must pay first after you will have free trial, and then you will also pay if you want to play forever. That's fair. Then it's just gonna scam you. No way. No way. I am not doing this. So that's the game. You should never download this game. It's kind of a scam. Like, why do you need to pay someone? You just want to feed the future. Every time you download this games like this games you need to pay. Why? Reliving this game is kind of awful, and yeah, we're gonna remove it on this. So okay, we're uninstalling this. We're going back to the Play Store and find a new game. This is a scam. I'm gonna give it a critical review. Yeah, let's put some review. I give it 1. Why? Oh my gosh. I would like to say this. First, it's free trial, but you need to pay it. Then, okay, what is it again? Then it's not showing the real you. So it's kind of true because this is a fake game, and it kind of makes you really really interested, and when you're interested, it's gonna make you pull yourself up to go to these games. So yeah, you don't recommend that game because the game is really, really, really bad. So any kind of games like those, like future timing on your future. This is an example that face Secret Engine face. It has 2.0. It has a bad review. Look at that. Look at the critical. They're just like being really weird. So I really don't like those. That's so bad. Like you get scammed. Oh my gosh, I got scammed, guys. So I don't want that to happen to you. You're just gonna waste your MD like that, huh? That was really beautiful. So this is time, and yeah, and this is the video is over. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy, please leave a like, and if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. I really want a subscriber for once. And yeah, thank you for watching again. Bye.